In this video, we'll actually set up our database table. So we'll have this file called employee.sql. And so this employee.sql file will basically create a new database table for us called employee. And this table will have 4 fields: ID, first name, last name, and email. Also, this script will actually load the table with sample data, just so we have some employees to work with to get started. So the details on downloading the SQL file are provided in the next section.
All right, so let's move in here and download the SQL script. So there's a zip file. The file is attached to the resources section of the video. So just move over there to the resources section, choose the drop-down option, and download the file to your computer.
So let's go ahead and swing over to our file system and take a look at that file. So here I'll just move into my downloads folder because that's where my browser will store those files. And there's the zip file that we just downloaded from the web. Let's go ahead and unzip this file so we can access it. So what I want to do is simply copy this folder, and I'm going to move it over to another location.
And I'll move into this dev Spring Boot. I'll move into this 04 Spring Boot rest crud directory, and I'll paste the file here.
It's just a folder, very simple, just has one file, employee.sql. And what we'll do is we'll actually open this file in MySQL Workbench. So I have MySQL Workbench open. I'll go ahead and log into this account here using Spring Student. And then I'll just move up here and I'll just open the SQL script. I'll just move over to that directory, dev Spring Boot. So this is a very basic file here. We basically just create this database called employee directory. And then we move down, we drop a table if it already exists, and we simply create the table employee. And it's a very simple table, right? Just ID, first name, last name, and email. And then for the insert, I just kind of insert some sample data here for 5 employees, just so we can have some data to play with when we start out. Alrighty, so then let's just hit the little gold lightning bolt here on our toolbar, and that should execute the script. And there you go. So on the bottom, you should see green and yellow. That's fine. So we can see our new schema that we just created. And there it is, employee directory. Looks good. And we should just have just one table here called employee. Good. And we can do a real quick query here just to select the data to see what's out there. And there we go. So 5 employees that we'll start with for this project. So this looks pretty good so far. So good job.